Let's get that pesky overlapping header on your Wix website fixed in just 90 seconds for a cleaner, more professional look. First, open your Wix Editor and hover over your header until you see the blue outline appear. This means you've selected the right area. Next, click on the header to bring up its settings. Look for the freezes toggle if it's turned on. This might be the culprit, especially if your header height is too large or your page content starts to high. Toggle it off to see if it resolves the issue. If turning off freezes doesn't work, try adjusting your header's height. You can either drag the handles at the top or bottom of the header to make it smaller, or manually input a height value in the design settings. A smaller header leaves more space for your content. Another common cause is incorrect page margins. Go to the page menu and look for options related to page layout or margins. Adjust these settings to ensure your content doesn't start too close to the header. If you've added custom elements or code, these might be interfering with the header's positioning. Open the Layers panel and check if any elements are overlapping the header intentionally or unintentionally. Adjust their position as necessary. And that's it. By adjusting the header's freeze setting, height, page margins, and checking for overlapping elements, you can easily fix header overlap on your Wix site, providing a better user experience and a more polished design. Don't forget to save and publish your changes.